Hi guys, this is Synology 2-bay NAS model number DS224 plus. It's a DiskStation. In this you will get this 2-bay NAS. Let me open it. This is along with the seal. As you can see, it's a 2-bay NAS. Synology 2-bay NAS. Some back ports. You can see 2 LAN ports are there. One power switch is there. One USB port is there, and the exhaust fan. Here, this is the front. We can say that a console. You can remove it, and these are 2 slots in which you can put the hard drive according to the requirement. Here we are designing this solution for 4 TB with 2 4 TB NAS. We will configure it into RAID. And here the front, you can see that some lights, status light, like DIS1, DIS2, LAN 1, LAN 2. It's a status, power on, switch off, and then USB if you wanted to share any copy any data directly from this. So this is just I will quickly again try to it's a rubber. Just a second, it will take a time. Now you see it, and what all you will get in this box, I will let you know. Some charger is there, LAN cable, again is a charger cable, and some switch. So this is just an give you the idea about what you will get in Synology box. Thank you.